Welcome, foolish mortals, to another collection video. This one I found 3 boxes of Season 1 Book of Boba Fett cards, and I thought we would open them up. So I'm going to take a quick pause while I get all the packs out, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, we are back. So these are, like I said, from Season 1, Book of Boba Fett. They have multiple levels of chase cards, like every top set does. Black border, green border, chrome, prism, autographs, dual autographs, patchworks, all kinds of stuff. So the autograph cards, since these are not the hobby boxes, the autograph cards are very rare. So I have went ahead and opened a couple just to get the pack, because I always make sure I keep a couple packs. So I'll show you these as we go through them. Cool. The Mandalorian. And that is a character card, so that's a specialty. We'll put that over there. Here's a purple bordered. That's also a specialty, so we'll put that over there because that's a special specialty, as opposed to this one, which is just a subset. Trouble Brewing at Tashi Station. I love this guy. He's a great character actor. I love him in news radio. Here's another. That one's blue. Let's see what this is. Oh, it must be an art subset. Yep. Character art. So we'll put that over here with the others. Then Luke. Nice. Those are cool. The last one that I'll keep. Major Domo. The Ninja Troopers. Another subset. Boba Fett's Arsenal. That's clearly another subset. Yep. Cobb Vanth. Cool. Okay. Grogu's Choice. Ninjas. There was a lot of fun, silly stuff in the Book of Boba Fett. AC. But the ninjas were just, I don't know. I really did like the Book of Boba Fett, but there was a lot in it that just was kind of weird and silly, that I hope they kind of walk away from in Season 2. Cad Bane. Nice. Oh, there's another character card. The Modifier. Oh, 88. So blue must be the easiest secondary set to get, because I have so many of them. And supposedly each one of these is supposed to come with a collector patch. I loved the Tusken stuff. I wish they would have done more of that. There's Boba. Oh, imprisoned by the Tuskens. There we go. Ooh, what do we got here? This is a Finnick commemorative patch card. Now, there's nothing really about these. These are just created by Topps. But they are neat cards. They're just nothing, you know. They're not like a piecework or an autograph. They're just some weirdly made up specialty card. Ooh, that one's a good one. That's the opening of Terminator 2 right there, really. Oh, concept art. Nice. Cool. Emergence from the Salak Pit. Oh, more Boba Fett's arsenal. It's a rocket launcher. Like a bantha. Scorpionic droid, huh? Nice. Oh, more concept art. Cool. Nice. Once again, the never-ending Order 66. He has another opportunity. We don't to do 66 again. One more to go. Oh, there's dupe. Nice. Oh, more concept art. I would have liked to have seen more of those two. They just introduced them like we had to have Hutts because it's Tatooine or something, and then just gone. Oh, hey, there you go, Major Domo. Oh, dash and pursuit, another purple. Shad and dash. And there are 10 packs in each of these boxes. So between these, I should have a base set completely. I would have liked to have seen more of Danny Trujillo as well. Nice. Ooh, Tuscan cider rifle. Nope. Oh, this must have a patch in it because it's so thick. Let's see. Boba Fett and his crew. Oh, yeah. I keep forgetting The Mandalorian was half the damn show. Cad Bane. Sweet. Finnick. There we go. So here's another Finnick Shan. So I got 2 patch cards. Number 11, number 14. This one's numbered 26 of 99. So the red ones are a subset of this. Stupid Tops. And Tops and Upper Deck wonder why people don't buy their non-sports cards anymore. It's almost impossible to get a complete set. Because I got 10 packs and they're $20 a box. That's reasonable. But, you know, they're, ooh, nice. Some of the other hobby boxes and stuff are like $100 or more a box for cards. And that's just too much. Now, I know everything's went up, but, you know, more ninja. Oh, there you go. See, I didn't mind that character either. It was a very, you know, Harryhausen type of Clash of the Titans throwback character. They took my stapler. Modifier gets to work. I'm glad I haven't gotten any duplicates of those. Oh, cool. Neat. Pike guy. The Armorer in Exile. Nice. I don't know what these are. AC3. Oh, Aliens and Creatures. Okay. Because I've only gotten 2 of those. I don't know how many cards there are in a subset. So what I'll do is hopefully get a base set, and then I can go back to eBay or whatever and pick out the couple little cards I'm missing. Mr. Spinner Boy. Max is alive. Max Rebo lives. If we all believe it, we can wish it into reality. Ooh, Catbane. Nice. Aha, Rancor. Nice. Garza Flip. That's a very Star Wars name. Cool. Ooh, more concept art. I'm getting to the point where I'm seeing a lot of duplicates, and I don't have any clue how big this set is. Most sets are 100 cards, but if that's a new card, so is that. But how are you that pale on Tatooine? Cool. Okay, let's take a second here and get the purples out. Okay. Some blues can go there. Purples can go here. Okay. Just a few packs left. Cool. So hot. Ooh, cool. New allies. Cool. Flame projector. See, I'm still seeing random new cards. So hopefully... Ooh, look at that one. Now that would be a great, like, wall poster. One of those metal ones that are, like, split up, you know what I mean? Know what I mean, Vern? And that would be. I'd love to have that as a poster. Alright. Looks like 6 more packs. Thanks for hanging out. While you're here, please drop a like and a comment. Really helps the channel a lot. I'm really trying to concentrate on getting some growth this year. Cool. Recommend it to friends. I know non-sports cards aren't a lot of people's thing, but I like the artwork and I like the shots. And so I'm going to share it with you guys. Oh, this feels like the last of my patch cards. So there's the droid. Ooh, Tusken Chief. Where's my Black Series figure of this? Where's my Vintage Collection figure of this? You have the base figure. Oh man, I think that might have actually been a duplicate. And here's another Finnick. So now I have 3 Finnicks. Because in the Boba Fett show, why would I get a Boba Fett? Still, she's great, so I don't care. Skills of the Bounty Hunter. To get an autograph in this is like 1 in every 215,000 packs, so it's near impossible. Ooh, cool. Ah, cool. Another alien. Oh. So 4 packs left. Grogu's choice. Macapanta. Oh, look at that. Just 100% Clint Eastwood, Lee Van Cleef. Just love the concept art from this. Now I think about it, I thought I bought that book. I wonder where it is. I don't think I've gotten it yet. Yay! The star of the Book of Boba Fett, Grogu. Spears. More Grogu. Oh, cool Finnick. I might have gotten close to that. Oh, there's another purple. And the last pack. Mandalorian on the hunt. Boba Fett's arsenal again. Cool. Alright. So, I got 30 packs. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of these. Let me sort these real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so there seem to be 15 of these cards, and I am missing 3. So that's actually not too bad. And then we have the concept art cards. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of those. 9, 1, 7, 3, 5, 10. 3, 6, 11. Okay, so, I've got well over half of those as well. I ended up with 3 commemorative patches, which I should have because they're supposed to be 1 to a box. And I got 4 of the aliens and creature cards. I got 5 of Boba Fett's arsenal. And then I ended up with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 purples. And 22 of those. So you should probably get 1 blue in every pack as an alt set, and then it alternates. So these were the other ones I didn't get. So I got 8 of these, 22 of these, which gives me the 30 I was supposed to get. So no autographs, but I was never really hopeful for that anyway, just because of how rare they actually are. But thanks for joining me on this little trip. Again, please hit subscribe, send this out, share it if you would, tell your friends, tell your family, tell everybody you know. Come watch 1000th Ghost. Catch you on the flip side.